Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kyle and welcome back to Tech Studios. For today's simple setup tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can mine Ethereum using a Windows gaming computer. Now before we get started, you're going to need to check if you have a decent gaming computer because these hashing algorithms require a lot of processing power from your graphics card. AMD GPUs like my RX 480 deliver better hash rates than Nvidia cards, which makes it a faster, more profitable miner if you're willing to make big money. Also, you need to make sure if your system has enough air ventilation because these cards tend to generate a lot of heat if you're trying to mine with more than 2 graphics cards. Now you're going to need to create a wallet to store all the Ethereum that you'll mine, and for that we're going to head over to ethereumwallet.com. Basically, this is a web-based multi-platform wallet that you can access on any web-powered device, and a link for this page can be found in the description box right there below you. Now when you get here, you'll be greeted with the message saying that this software is currently in beta. What you want to do here is you want to click the button that says launch beta, and then you'll proceed to the next page. Now here you have the option to secure this wallet using a password of your choice, and regardless of whether you have that or not, you want to start moving your mouse or your finger to generate your wallet. You want to continue doing this until it reaches the very top, and eventually you will have a newly generated Ethereum wallet. Now you want to bookmark this space to your web browser to access this wallet, and you also need to remember your password if you've decided to put one in place. Next, we're going to need to find a pool to mine Ethereum, and Ethereum is a very popular pool to mine for Ethereum. So if you want to go ahead and open a new tab, and then you want to go ahead and type in ethermine.org. Once you get there, scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you will see some instructions on how you connect to this pool using Claymore's miner. Now in the description box below, I have provided a link to download Claymore's miner, but if you want to get it directly from the thread, you can just click on this link, which will take you over to the miner's homepage. Now once you have it downloaded, extract it to your downloads folder or whatever folder that you want to put in, and then open it up. Then you want to create a batch file in the same folder that you just opened, which is basically going to be used to connect my gaming machine to Ethermine. To do that, you want to open up Notepad, and then right here on the page, you want to copy and paste these commands into the batch file. Now depending on where you live, you may want to change the location of your mining server, and if you want to go ahead and change that, just copy and paste one of these Stratum servers in place of eu.ethermine.org ;4444. Next, you want to insert your Ethereum wallet into the section that says your Ethereum address. So let's reopen our Ethereum wallet. Type in your password if you decide to put one in, and then copy to paste the portion that starts with 0x. Lastly, on the rig name, you can put anything you want, but just make sure that it's a name that you can recognize. Because I'm using an AMD RX 480 in my rig, I will put an RX 480 in place of the rig name, but again, it can be anything you want it, just make sure that you remember it. So when you're done, you want to go ahead and go to File, Save As, and then on a file name, add .bat to the end of the batch file along with the name. I'm going to put RX 480 Worker as my name, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Now go back to the miners folder, and then click on the batch file to begin mining. Now this process will take a couple of seconds to get started, and if you're wanting to see if this process will work on Nvidia GPUs, Claymore's miner does support the latest GTX 10 series, and some older cards like the popular 970, so this is a good thing to know about. Now I'm going to leave this miner to work itself for about a few minutes, and from there let's see how well it performs. Okay, so it's been about a couple of minutes since I last opened up the script, and we can see here that my RX 480 is mining about 20 mega hashes a second, staying just under 60 degrees centigrade. If you want to check your mining statistics on Ethermine, just head back to the home page and then insert your wallet address in this box over here. And then after that, you can just click check status, and then your statistics will be shown. Here you can see a little graph that shows how many mega hashes your miner is working, as well as your shares and unpaid balances. If you click on settings here, you can adjust the payment threshold to your desired amount, and when you convert the minimum payout of 0.05 Ethereum, that's almost equivalent to $11 US. If you decide to change this, make sure you know your public IP address and insert it in the box here. If not, you can always Google search it, and then you can just copy and paste that information right there. So once you have all that information all squared away, you can just go ahead and click Save, and after a few minutes, your new payment threshold will be synced right there on Ethermine's mining servers. So that, guys, is how you can mine Ethereum using a gaming computer, and I hope that you found this tutorial to be very helpful to you. If you did, I would really appreciate if you guys leave a like, and if you have any questions or if you have any comments or suggestions or about basically anything, you can just leave it right in the comments box right there below you. And if you're thinking about donating like a few Ethereum, Bitcoin, or if you want to mine some for me, I mean, go ahead. I have my addresses right there in the description box below. And with all that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.